Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 12 exponents and powers, exercise 12.2. In that exercise, first Roman they asked to express us in a standard form. Standard form taking time, always keep in your mind, we can make it as a power of a 10 power. 10 power we want to make it. And the same way here see 937 means from left to right to one place, one digit to take and put a decimal point. That also must. So that type of questions we are going to learn in this exercise. A question they given us in this way they gave here 8 to 5 convert us in a standard form. How to convert? First you check it after decimal point how many digits are there. Afterwards, after decimal point how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, 13. 13 digits are there. How to remove that decimal point? Early we learned that after decimal point, one place means divided with 10. After decimal point, two digits are there means divided with 100. After decimal point, three digits are there means divided with 1000. So on here also how to do that? 13 digits are there. That's why we can write it as 85 by 10 raised to 13. Then standard form means in numerator from left to right always one digit to take and put decimal point in numerator. Then check it after numerator after decimal point how many digits are there? One digit are there. That's why multiply with 10 divided by 10 power 30. Then see both of them are numerator and denominator, both of them are in a power notation of a 10 base 10 case. So it is in form of a raised to m by a raised to n. Division laws of exponent apply. Laws of exponent case base same is base right one time powers are subtract. In this question 8.5 into here both of them numerator and denominator base is 10 and power here m power is 1 n power is 13. They are subtract 1 minus 13. So final answer become how much? 8.5 into subtract. One is positive, other is 30. Subtract and put big numbers and so minus 12 is the answer. In this way we want to solve. Next you say 0 point here next number given as in this way 942 convert this number as in the standard form. Here also first we count it after decimal point how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 30 14 digits. That's why we can write it as 942 by a 10 power 14. Okay, then standard form means always from left to right one digit to take and put decimal point. So we can say 9.42. The denominator part have no change 10 power 14. Then after decimal point how many digits are there? Two digits are there. So numerator part we can multiply with the 10 power. So then they are in form of a raised to m by a raised to n. So how we can express a same base means a base right one time powers are here. Numerator power is 2, denominator power is 14. They are subtracted. So 9.42 into 10 power 40 minus 2 comes to be 12. Sign of 14 is negative. That's why we get answer as a 9.42 into 10 power minus 12 is the answer. I hope you can understand how to solve this, how to make it as a standard form. Next, another model. Another model is C question is 602 00 here it represent as in this way. So here also here how many digits are here? See, zeros are in the left side of the number. Previous question decimal is given and decimal after zeros coming. In this question decimal points are not there. Zeros only there. So in this case number first you write number after how many decimal points are there once we check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30 numbers are there. So we can write it as 10 power 13. So 602 into 10 power 13 we can write. Then how to make it as here also standard form is the question. Standard form how to write from left to right always we take 1 digit. So 6.02 into here after decimal point how many digits in number place 2. So 10 power 2 into already we have a 10 power 13. Then which laws of exponent multiplication a raised to m into a raised to n. Same base means base right to 1 time power m and n are adding. So here also base is 10 and powers are added. So answer becomes 6.02 into 10 power 2 plus 13. 2 plus 13 become how much? To become a 10 power 15 is the and 6.02 into 10 power 15 is the answer. Then same model, one more question. 3186 in this way. Here also decimal point not there. Then how to explain in this type of question decimal without a decimal point question coming time. First numbers which are the number 3186. Then after that number how many digits how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 zeros are there. So 10 power 7 we can write. Then standard form means always from left to right one place take and put this. So 3.186 into after decimal point how many digit? 3 digit. We can represent as 10 power 3 and already we have 10 power 7 is the here 10 power 3 how to get after decimal point how many digits? 3 digits. That's why 10 power 3 and 10 power 7. This also in which form? A raised to m into a raised to n. How we can write base write 1 time powers add. So 3.186 into 10 power 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 comes to be how much? 10 will come in 10 power 10 is the answer. I hope you can understand this model question. Then next one they given us in the power notation we want to write as in this expansion form like this way expansion form we want to write. So a usual form we want to write. So second Roman express the numbers in usual form. Express the numbers in usual form. First question is 3.02 into 10 power minus 6. We know that in number line here 0 means zeros right side part represent as positive value, zeros left side part represent as a negative value. Here also see power is a negative power which side we want to move? Left side to move. Left side moving then negative power will coming. Right side to move means a positive. Here question given us in negative power. So which side to move? Here we can move to left side. How many places? 6 places. Already 1 digit is the decimal after before 1 digit is the 6 digit, meaning is 6 digit. 1 digit is 5 digit is missing there. Instead of that 5 digit to place we can keep 0 and that zeros before a decimal point. Then 3 0 2. Then whole number part 0 we get. This is the answer. Negative case we move to the left side. Whole already left side decimal before one digit is the remaining. How many digit we required? Total 6 digit. In that 6, one digit is the remaining balance. 5 digit missing that 5 digit. Instead of that place we can put zeros. So 5 zeros keep and 302 will write a decimal point where it coming a friend of this part. The decimal after whole number part, no numbers. Instead of that place we can put a 0. Second question. Second question is 4.5 5 into or one more question, same model, 3 into 10 power minus 8. Here also negative power case. Negative power case, already I said which side to which side we move. We move to the left to here right side to left side moving. Oh, one digit is there. 1 digit 3 is there. Remaining how many? Total 8 digit. Minus 8 means 8 digit we require. Only 1 digit is there. 7 digit are missing. Instead of that 7 digit to place, we can keep a 0 and put a decimal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digit. Then before decimal point, a whole number part, instead of that place we can keep a 0. In this way we can negative power. Then one more, next model, third question, 4.5 into 10 power 4. 10 power 4. 10 power 4 is a positive. Positive case we move to left to right side. Negative case we move to right to left. Here see 10 power positive 4 is there. That's why which side we moving? 4 place 4 digit left side right side 2. So already 1 digit is the decimal after. Remaining how many digit? 3 more we need. So 3 more place missing. Instead of that place we can put 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the answer. 45,000 is the answer. Then next, one more question. 5.8 into 10 power 12. Here also positive. Positive case, which side moving? Positive coming always on the right side. That's why how many digits? 12 digits we require. Raising power is 12. Here only 1 digit only decimal after. So 11 more digit we want. 11 digits we required. Not there. Instead of that place 11 zeros we can write. So answer become 5, 8, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. In this way, easy way we can write. I hope you can understand this model question. Same way next third Roman also like same thing only. They given us in a sentence wise that only difference. Third Roman express the following as in the standard form. Express in the standard form. Express in standard form. That means a power notation form. Question they given us 1 micro. 1 micron is equal to 1 micron is equal to 1 by here 1 0 0 here. In this way given. How to express meter there. 1 micron is equal to 1 by 1 stands under 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 10 lakh is given. How we can express this answer with respect to power notation 10 or base 10, we can write it as how many zeros are the 6 zeros. 6 zeros means we can write it as 10 power 6. Any power comes in denominator, it goes to numerator means negative positive value change it to negative value. So 1 into 10 power minus 6 meter. In this way we can denominator power goes to numerator, positive sign change it to negative sign. Next question, size of a bacteria. Size of a bacteria is given there. Size of a bacteria. Size of a bacteria is given as size of the bacteria is given as 0.0005. It given that this much meter. How to express here decimal point where decimal number is there. That's why how we can write as in the standard form. Remove the decimal point. Early first bit we learned decimal point question coming time. Remove the decimal point. How to remove after decimal point? How many digits are there? 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits are there. So we can express as a 5 by 10 power 7. So how we can write as a 5 by positive power goes to negative numerator comes to be 5 into 10 power minus 7 meter is the answer. I hope you can understand this model question. Then next fourth Roman. In fourth Roman, one word problem is given there. In fourth Roman, word problem says that in a stack, there are five books. 5 books are there. Each of them thickness also given. Each of thickness 20 millimeter. Each book thickness is 20 millimeter, and 5 paper sheet are there. 5 paper sheet also there. That each paper sheet thickness also they given. Each of them thickness they given as 0.016 millimeter. What is the total? Total thickness of the sack. Stack they asking total thickness. How to write this one? First here thickness of one book, right? Thickness of first step how to write thickness of one book. One book thickness how much it given? 20 millimeter. So such type how many books are there? 5 books are there. So thickness of 5 books to find out. 5 books is equal to 1 book is 20. 5 book means 20 into 5 become 100 millimeter. Then thickness of one sheet paper. Next they mentioned about paper. Thickness of one sheet paper. How much one sheet paper thickness is it given as 0.016 millimeter. Such type how many papers are there? 5 papers are there. So thickness of 5 paper find out. Thickness of 5 sheet paper equal. How to find out one paper thickness is multiply with 5. 5 6 are 33 8. Then here 0.0 will come in there. This much millimeter will come. Then total area, total thickness of the sack is asking. Total means book thickness is 5 book thickness is added with the 5 paper thickness. Total thickness how to find means book thickness. 5 book thickness is how much? 100 added with 5 paper thickness is how much? 0.088. So how much will coming? 100.08 millimeter. How to express as in form of a power notation? Here decimal we were standard form asking. The standard form means always we take 1 digit only. So 1 digit after here how many digit we take to reach one place? 2 digit we take. So into 10 power 2. Already we here. How many place we take 2 place? So 1.008 into 10 power 2 millimeter is the total thickness. I hope you can understand. So this topic completed. The remaining next class we can go through another chapter. Thank you.